Hi, I'm Katja. I'm a travel writer and a travel blogger at Globetotting. I've always traveled. I grew up moving around. I've always traveled with my own family and think that travel is the best education. I really like taking photos, both for my work and for documenting sort of family life and family travels. But recently I've realized that a smartphone really does have its limitations. The great thing about the M50 is that it's small, it's compact, you can have different lenses to get different effects, and you can also shoot videos, so you can really capture pretty much anything that you need to. You can just sling it over your shoulder and head out anywhere, and it's really easy to capture photos of the kids when we're out together as a family. So I was challenged to get a shallow depth of field portrait, so I had the 3 kids line up against a wall in the playground. The 32mm lens has a really wide aperture, which gives you this brilliant shallow depth of field. I just can't get that kind of effect on the phone without using a filter. Even though it's small, you have the option of trying out different lenses, which means that you can get different shots of the kids. To make sure that I don't miss a moment, I'm using the zoom lens and a fast shutter speed. The 15 to 45mm lens is super versatile and gives you every opportunity to capture the kids on the move. The big kids love climbing trees, and I'm using the 32mm lens and a wide aperture to get the best short depth of field. The M50 is really easy to use, and the manual setting gives you full control and you're really able to push your photography skills. For me, the best way to keep kids on your side when you're taking photos is to, 1, not keep them too long, and 2, give them treats afterwards. The M50 has great connectivity, so it's really easy to transfer the images from the camera to my phone and straight onto Instagram. I've really enjoyed challenging myself and really pleased with the images that I've taken. What I really enjoy about the M50 is that it is really easy to use. I mean, even the kids can take photos on it. But what I also like is that there is room for growth and I can really challenge my photography skills.